Hey y'all, it's your girl JJC. So I'm here to do a little mini haul on a couple of things that I picked up and was gifted as well. So I'm just gonna show you guys and just talk about it. Just first item that I got. Alright, so these are red knit socks, cable knit socks, and they are amazing quality. They got little specks of color in it too, if you can see. Little color all over. So I did get this at a discount store, and you guys, I paid $1 for brand new cable knit socks for $1. Are you hearing me? So next, I'm going to show you this jacket. So a little backstory, I had one when I was younger as a kid, and mine was actually the color of purple, black, and white. And I feel like that was my jacket for probably, I don't know, probably a couple of fall seasons. The jacket I had, I feel like it wasn't even for style or anything. It was because that's what my parents could afford. You know, I had a winter jacket, I had what I needed, but it was never like for fashion. Like fashion wasn't at the forefront. I saw this jacket and it kind of sparked some nostalgic memories, and I was like, oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Jacket, I call it a jacket, but it functions as a jacket, as a sweater, jacket, sweater, and a hoodie. So it's like a 3-in-1 for me. This one is a size small, and the small for me kind of sits a little below the waist. I ultimately wanted it to sit like past my butt. Like I wanted it to be oversized. I could just throw it on and be out, you know? I wish it was a medium or a large, but they didn't have any more. I just love the color, the colorway of it. So it has a hood. It's not a drawstring like for the hood. It's just to like tie right there. I don't know what these are called. Like if anybody knows what these jacket, hoodie, sweater things are called, or where their origin came from, please comment below. I'm really curious. And it's got the pouch here like a hoodie does. Boom. Right? So one thing I'm going to change about it is the side flaps. I'm gonna sew that closed because I don't ultimately need this flap open. It serves no purpose other than for the wind to make me cold. This is gonna be something that I'm gonna be wearing kind of often for the fall, so I'm gonna be using it more as like a jacket. Let me bring this into my closet now because it's functional. You know, it has great purpose. It gives me a little bit of nostalgic memory as well, so I love it. So next I got gifted was this cool thing. So this is the Ninja Thirsty 24 ounce or 709 milliliter. I plan to put juices and even my soup. I like to drink soup, and and prior to this, I've been wanting a thermos that I'm able to carry soup in, like a full small can of soup, which is probably equivalent to like 2 cups. And this can definitely hold more than 2 cups. This is really, really pretty. This one is a mint green color, but they do have other colors. I love the handle. It's like that silicone rubbery feeling. The thermos itself is pretty sturdy and nice. It's got a nice twist top, and I also love the feature of it popping back, because so many times that I have bottles that have the covering and you're drinking and the thing's just like hitting you on your face. Like that's so annoying. So I like that they have that feature and it clips back and you just, you know, drink up, right? So close that up. The inside is just normal. I'll read the stickers on what the features are. So it says a bubble lock, polished, ultra smooth interior ensures fizzier drinks for longer. There's triple thermal, cold for 24 hours, ice for 2 days, wow, hot for 12 hours. Leak lock, engineered to not leak, drip, or spill, even with fizz. Oh, amazing. dishwasher safe, BPA free, 18/8 durable stainless steel, and fits in most cup holders. Wow. So I'm excited for this. I'm going to test it out for myself because I just got it, but I believe in these features and I want to see if it holds up what it's claiming. And then I like this. I like that I could put my hand through here and just hold it like this. Last but not least is skincare product. This is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. If you can see. It's a magic cream. It's an instant turnaround moisturizer by Charlotte Tilbury, research-powered skincare for beautiful skin on demand. Oh, this sounds good. It's award-winning magic cream.
Wow.
This one awards. So this I got gifted. So thank you so much. It's got a magic serum crystal elixir. I don't know what that will do, but we'll look it up. And boom, this beautiful jar. Oh, this looks so luxury. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Like, I don't know what my skin's doing, but I know it needs moisturizer. Everybody's skin needs moisturizer. Even if your skin is oily, you need moisturizer. But look at this beautiful jar. Can we just take a moment to admire? And you guys, it's refillable. That's so amazing. I love that. I love that it looks so luxury, but it's refillable, because there's so many brands out there that are luxury, and after you're finished the beautiful jar, you throw it out. I believe that concludes my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on any of these items. If you guys like these kind of random hauls, perhaps I could collect like a bigger amount of stuff to like show you guys versus just showing you 3 or 4 items. So let me know. I am so grateful and so thankful that you guys are here continuing to support or have just started to support. Thank you so much for following, subscribing, interacting, and all that stuff. I know I've been talking about the dance tutorials, which I have, and your girl is just slowly getting back into it. I'm just trying to fulfill, you know, the other creative aspects that I really am passionate about. I am passionate about dancing, but don't get me wrong, there's other passions that I have as well. So I'm just trying to juggle all of those. I want to say thank you so much for your support. Your girl will be back with more dance tutorials, so definitely stay tuned, okay? And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Toodles.